Hey, babe. Just hop into the car, okay?
Babe, baby.
Hop into the car. I hope all is hop into the car, right?
Please. Babe, wait. The beggar.
The beggar, what happened to the beggar?
I would like to give him some money.
Relax, okay? When we get over there, I think we'll sort that.
Yes, babe,
okay?
you know I like to give beggars money. So I think he looks so hungry. Let me just give him something, okay?
Baby, calm down, okay? I know how to sort them out, okay? I know how to. Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. Don't worry. I'll be back. Let me just give him something. Okay? I'll be back. Okay? Babe, I'll be back.
Don't waste time, okay? Hey, baby, please don't waste time, okay? Don't waste time.
Good afternoon. Little boy, how are you?
Fine, ma.
Here.
Oh, thank you, ma.
Please, you just showed me. You see, don't enter.
Yes, ma.
Why did you show me that?
Ma, please don't enter that car. Please don't enter that car, ma, please. If you value your life very well, please don't enter that car.
Why? Why did you say I should not enter the car?
Ma, even as I'm talking to you now, there's someone inside that car that they have kidnapped. Please.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma, very serious, ma.
You mean there is somebody in the car?
Yes. I'm just watching them since, ma.
There is somebody inside that car that is kidnapped?
Yes, ma. A lady.
Guys, just relax, okay? Just wait a minute, okay? The girl, she's coming. Right? Yeah.
I don't understand. You just said I should not enter the car. That person is my friend. So why are you asking me not to enter the car?
Ma, do as I say. Don't enter that car. Do not come out alive if you enter that car, ma.
I will not come out alive if I enter the car.
Yes, ma. Please. If you still like your life, just don't enter the car. Ma, I'm not a beggar. I'm just here to save you. If you want it, I have the money back.
No, don't worry. Keep it. You can have it.
Just run away.
Thank you.
You just enter that car.
Babe.
Yeah, baby. What's up? You're back?
Yes, I'm back.
It's alright, okay? It's good to give arms giving. Just let's go.
Yes, babe, please. I am pressed.
Oh.
I am pressed. I need to ease myself, please.
Baby, you know what? Just when we get to the hotel, you ease yourself, okay? You have all the time and everything to ease yourself.
Is there this thing clean? Is the
Very
toilet clean?
What are you talking about? 5-star hotel? Just my love, you know I love this.
Please, let me just ease myself here, okay?
Babe, you easing yourself inside the bush.
Yeah, just here.
Calm down, just come, okay? Come.
Just a minute, I won't waste time.
Come. My God. What's going on here? Let it not be that this girl I've noticed was about to play out.
Bro, Safana, what happened? Where's the girl?
See, let me tell you guys. I think this girl noticed what is about to happen. So she ran away. Alright?
How do you mean she ran away?
I just told you what just happened here right now, okay? So I think we have to move here because police might be around the corner, okay?
Then let's leave. Here it's not safe anymore.
Yes. When we get there, we'll tell Chief that thank God we have one here. Let's just go.
How can I tell you that? Chief, we don't have order. Chief, just give us order for true. How you are there? How do you allow the girl to leave you, escape you, as big as you are?
Do you want me to be waiting to
There's
get
no
her
time
and
for
police?
argument.
Let's leave here first of all. Where's the driver? Let's leave here. Where's the driver now?
Do you have the key?
Okay. I think I have the key.
Let's go.
I have the key.
Do fast. Oh, gotta be fast. Stop it. Simple assignment. You couldn't even complete.